trying to live in the moment. We gotta live in the moment.
Hi guys, so I'm here on the top of the Montenegro boat. Downstairs is too crowded, so I'm here and the sea people is giving me money. Look what they have given me. Giving me a lot. They were cooking right there, and then the guy just gave me some. Abi lagi sabi. Ay butang diri.
Bawal naman bumalik yan dito, sir.
Abi bibi. Uy, ami sa ano dito ba? Nangahugan ni Lola.
Hi guys! Welcome to Sikihor! Hi! Okay. Hi! Say hi! Welcome to Sikihor! So many! Ate! What can you say? Welcome! It's so nice! Awag ganin ninyo ang ano? There, oh.
Pia. Hi. Manakyanan na mo. Naman may kwarta? Manakyanan? Panakyanan na lang di ay. Ano dali? First night. Ang may panihapon. Kaya gidiaan namin sa mga dalaga. Resort sila. Ang mga nabiyaan. First morning. Oh, Titi. Manok to na small girl. Bo.
Hello! Layover sa Duma.
What happened to your cheek?
Whoever's coming with me, let's
Yung sa man yung pag-blend, di mo kuan.
na kayo sa atin yun eh.
Me. Oy.
Welcome to my guys!
Hi.
Welcome to my guys!
And okay, I finally convinced her to join us to Balite.
I like that. No problem.
To Balite. Welcome to Kabugayan Falls. Visiting Kabugayan Falls requires descending and ascending 140 steps. Lah, wa man dito na niod to no. Kay dili na ba kay ko tigkaunan. Wrong person na yung nadala ay nakuyog. Unsa gusto niyo mo palit og pagkaon mo na diri tapos dud kanon? O nga, are you sure mo ha? You keep disrupting the conversation. To make sure na it's 140 steps.
Holly holiday, let me fly. Abong remotely paradise. Yeah.
I can't get up!
No, I can't. No, you can do it. If Norin can do it, you can. Yeah, Norin can do it.
Get over your fear!
Okay na, sige na. You do right. You have to let go, okay?
No,
You can do it now.
Time and let's go!
Go na.
Ready? 1, 2, 3, go.
So guys, we close the Kabuya Falls. Like literally we're the last people here right now. Because we had so much fun. Alak! Pila naman ta ka steps! Whew! Okay, hapit na dyan. Okay. Taking a break. Okay, okay. Find your own clothes. Shy ng scarf.
Hi guys. What day is it today? Today is July 13, 2025. Here in Sikihor. There is a pizza party. Question mark?
Party, Cheers, guys.
Boom. $30 entrance fee. I mean, 30 peso entrance fee, not $30. As you can tell, I'm going up.
Aray ko. Nalagay si Gru lagi dire. Gru.
Okay, stop.
Ay, di meron mo yun.
We're here, we're done. Shopping na sila. Go! Waiting for this is our last lunch here in Sikihor. Possibly last lunch. Sikihor! This is the little Boracay of Sikihor. Hey guys, na namin sa Kawayan. Glamping resort. May lang kuan display motor.
Hala, si Marin.
Wag bibo lagi diri no. They're having fun na doon. Litlos sila doon.
Yeah.
Finally, nag-enjoy na ang mga bata. Oh, giduyan-duyan mga batang higante. Moo, last night sa Sikihor, nag-enjoy na dyan ang mga bata. Oh, isa dito, gamuni-muni mo to. Si Brian yon?
Oh, garela.
O siyang ginahuna ni mo na, gamuni-muni man ka. Adriel, gamuni-muni man ka, Adriel.
Oh, I see.
Pagpakula. Masa magkabatuan man eh? Tika, ang gana asa. Wala. Okay, salamat. Nihilay na langit. La. Dito sa pikas palalin. Mao rin ingon nila espalto, so lahi among nagian. Okay, wala daw tanan. Salamat. Salamat kayo. So, how's your thingy? Gibarang? Pambarang matire. Ako, sipon na dago lang. Okay lang.
Ako, nay na sina daw na ako.
Sana may nasina.
Kinsay na sina diha. Pero mo kasina.
Wow, panawagan. Ay, pagutom na may humana na may kuwan, pahilot ng x-ray. Bisayang x-ray. Or di ronon man dito manang no? Ay, itong may bukayo. Nangita na po ni kuan another pan kasi yung pan Bisaya na may abukayo is naubos kay litan. May kuhag amuang pan Bisaya. Muli na may larga, naurot na makwata, nasunod dito. Manguli na may magsiparit-siparit na. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, biyahan mo na mo. Imo naman biyahan. Okay. Comfortable? Yeah, well, because we're sleeping like a baby. Dini na kunin yung luggage na mo. Okay. Off they went. 4 hours here, so they're off Robinson Mall. This is the one I got from the Mangihit. Look at the egg. It's not smashed. Wala gano'n, nakabot. What is that, Pangga? Boga? KFC. Thank you.